In this example, we will demonstrate how you can attach an image file into a form and then display that image in a picture object in the form. It is done using one of the available parameters in the file attachment object as a source for the picture object. To save time, we've already built the example, which you can see has a file attachment object, and that's to attach the image file, and a picture object to display that image. Note that in the file attachment object properties, we have selected the option to restrict the attached files to image objects only. The logic is attached to the example button, but it could also be attached to other behavior events. We have used the setProperty command, and the object we are setting a property for is the picture object. The property that we want to set is the source attachment, and the value will be the attachment ID of the attached file. When we preview the form to test the logic, we first have to attach an image file. Then we press the example button to trigger the logic to use the ID as the source for the picture object. Although we have shown one example of how to use this feature, there are others too. For example, by passing the attachment ID from one form into another, that ID can then be used to display the image in a different form.